Hi everyone. So today for math, we're going to be working on plotting points on a coordinate grid. Now I know you started working on this last week or maybe even the week before, but I wanted us to sort of practice our skills a little bit and just do this as a reminder to make sure we're practicing. So let's see. So we know that when we have a coordinate plane or a coordinate grid, we have our x-axis, which is horizontal, right? It goes left and right. I'm going to write an X next to it so we can remember. And we know we have a y-axis, which goes up and down, this one over here. I'm going to label that one with Y. So when we want to plot a point, well, let's see. We have point A right here. We can look at this one. Point A is at -6, 3. Okay, so when we have an ordered pair like that, we know our first number tells us where it's going to go on the x-axis. And the 3, our second number, tells us which direction it's going to go on the y-axis. So I remember that Mrs. Meany said Mr. Rogers told you that you always need to walk to the elevator before you can go up or down. So we know we need to go right or left on the x-axis before we can go up or down on the y-axis, right? So let's see. So for our point A, we have -6 for our x-coordinate. So I'm going to start right in the middle at the origin, right at 0. And I'm going to go to -6 on the x-axis. Negative means I'm going to go left, right? So I'm going to go all the way over here to my -6. But that's not where my point is yet, because we need to look at our y-coordinate. So for our y-coordinate, I see we have 3. So I'm going to move up so that I line up my point with the 3 on the y-axis. We also can count up 3 boxes, right? We can say 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to put my point right there. Okay. And remember, whenever we have a positive number for our y, that means we're going up, right? If we have a negative number, that means we'd be going down. Perfect. So this is where our point would be. And I'm going to label it with its name, which is point A, so that we remember which point it is. Okay, awesome. So this was the first problem on the practice worksheet I gave you guys for today. So you can either do that one with me while you're watching this video, or you can skip it and go ahead and start with point B and go ahead and do your best and let me know if you have any questions or if it's a little tricky. Yeah, have a great day.